You can talk.
Like this is the elevator that the showroom on. So literally just look Oh, it's not. It just left. And remember these books. I showed you the sounds earlier. I'm not going to show you them again. Is this elevator only for guests? It's only for.
No, he just wants to know if we're allowed to ride this elevator.
Oh yeah, so this is going to take us to the basement though.
Okay, we're just going to go down and up. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put this on your head so make a better video. He said it's okay.
It's okay. So
It's okay.
he said it's okay. It's here. Why does it have an elevator? There's only one floor. Wait, headlight.
Careful.
Headlight.
Here, I'm just going to do this, okay?
We're just gonna use a flash. Oh, this is on.
Okay, so just down and up, right? We're not going to go up because it's
Just up and down.
Okay?
Now we're gonna go up.
Yeah.
Let's get the flash. First we can do our elevators, then we'll do our other stuff. Let's see if we can have time. So, just the insides. And that's it.